Alright guys, welcome back to another video. An update on the parts car. Well, it's supposed to be the drift car that's damaged. So right here in front of me, I'm here at my buddy's place. Let's do that's his MR2. Definitely check out his YouTube. Yeah, I'm letting him know to check out your YouTube. Here's the condition it's on. He needed some parts for the black Supra here. So once everything he needs is gone, it'll be towed to my place. 7M. Oh. It's that good old 7M GTE. We're gonna actually pull this motor out. So let me know if you guys want to see a how-to, or if you don't, leave a comment. And if you guys want to see how to remove 7M GTE, I'll definitely do a video for you guys to help you out if you guys need to pull one out. This does have a rod knock, so it's going to be rebuilt. And this motor right here is actually going to go into this Supra right here. This one will be also getting built. Yo, what year was this? 87? This Supra right there, 88?
Black one?
Yeah, 89?
86 and a half.
86 and a half, oh, okay. With the 89 front end conversion. There's no motor in here.
What? Yeah, there is, a GE.
Oh yeah, there's a GE in there, I forgot. A blown GE.
Blown.
Was it run knock too?
Rod knock with
Damn, you got two run knock motors. We have a run knock in here, and we'll have a run knock in here. Damn. Dude, Supra is living up to the name, bro. Run knock Supra is damn. Yeah, nothing but run knocks.
Man, you're the one that usually gives them the rod knock.
Pull this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I gave a good run knock last time, yeah. It was right, hey, it was right at the spot. That's the funny part.
Yeah, he was like, what's going to happen if I rev the engine?
Arvin said rev it, and I revved the engine.
Sent a rod through the rod.
Let me open this up. Oh, shit. Yo, how do you even open your hood? It doesn't open. It's locked in place? I pulled it.
You got to pull it while someone...
Oh, okay.
You got to pull it really hard.
Fucked out.
You got to pull it really hard.
See, just grab it by your fingers and yank it. We got Paul, the master hood opener.
It's not open?
No. Ah,
Yeah,
fuck.
you got to yank on it. If I yank it any harder, it's going to...
What happened? It's gonna...
Oh, yeah, yank. Pull up on the hood.
I'm pulling up, bro. Look at that. Look at my fingers are in there. Oh, there we go. Woo, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you already started. You already took the head off. Damn, still the head
Shit
is
was
off.
just done.
That's fixed, right?
Not bad.
Fix it, right?
That's good.
The good thing about it is this stays up.
Oh, we don't have to hold
wow.
it, huh?
See, that's
a surprise. Damn, dude.
Is there a hole in the block?
I don't think so.
No, I don't look like. Oh, I see it have been leaking. Cylinders don't look bad at all. So you just gonna junk this, or you gonna like sell it to somebody?
The motor?
Scrap at this point.
Scrap it? Okay. There's your good old 7M GE.
You gotta love them.
Gotta love them, that's right. Ah, man. So yeah, you guys want to check out this build? This guy, I'm gonna put down the link for Arvinds' YouTube page. You guys go check it out, subscribe. This is his build that's going on. And yeah. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Got all the stock 7M GT in the cooler. All the good 7M GT parts, and of course, the drift car project. Look at this. So the story on this, guys, if you don't know, is the guy was pulling out and somebody wasn't paying attention and ran right into the rear quarter panel and pushed it in. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna fix this. So I did want to order a quarter panel and then have it pulled a little bit and cut and do a replacement. If I could come all the way here, cut it off, right? And boom, get it welded and sanded. I think that's the best route. Let me know what you guys think will be, how would you fix this if you wanted to build your Supra or keep it, you know what I mean? So the tail lights, gotta replace this. Just open, nope. Get in here. Here's the interior. It's missing a lot of stuff because like I said, Arvin needed some stuff, so I actually have to shop around. The seats are not in good condition, but could always buy some stuff for it. Smells real good in here.
Hey, you get an oil filter, is that new?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's new.
Damn, it's mine.
Okay, you can have it. Turn signals.
Oil filter in there?
Yeah, good old auto transmission, steering wheel. So the dash is finished for, but I'm gonna actually try to restore this, sand this down, fill this gap right here, guys, and I'll figure something out. You know, I do a video of me taking everything out. All the interior has come out. It's missing the rear stuff. Oh, focus. There we go. So, yeah, it's a lot of work. Wow. Dragger top. Got Arvinds MR2 looking good. Check out his channel if you want to see more on this build. I hope to do an MR2 project myself soon, guys, on the page, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe so you guys can stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing 2 Supra builds. I have 2 91 Supras, so this one's going to be more of like a fun car. The other one's going to be like a serious OEM build, so close to factory. I plan to do, I'm not sure what motor I'm going to put in this one, but the other one's getting a 1J. But yeah, just a little update video for you guys. Don't forget, make sure to subscribe for more content to come, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video when we tow the other Supra to my place. So thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.